So Davey's now had day 5 post knee injury. So unfortunately, playing rugby league, he was on his knee and a big fella landed on his back while he was kneeling, and his kneecap popped right out to the side. So it's called a kneecap dislocation, patellar dislocation. And he went to the hospital. He got screened by the specialist there, and he was put into a straight knee brace. So to be honest, in practicing in physio for about 10 years, this is the best kneecap dislocation that I've seen ever. He doesn't have any sharp knee pain. You can see it's pretty bony. And the good news for Davey is if he follows our rehab program, he should be back up and running probably within the next 2 weeks. Traditionally, these sorts of kneecap dislocations can sometimes take 3 months to heal, and it's not even a week and he's smiling. So you did pretty well. If you're going to injure yourself, this is how you do it.